Welcome back to Rebecca's Corner. So this is the whipping cream I'm going to be using, powdered whipping cream, and I used it to bake decorate the last cake I made. I have the video in my channel already. So I measured out, it's remaining about 2 cups, and then I'm using 1 cup of very cold water. Very cold water. So the thing is, you use half of the same quantity of water. If you're using 3 cups of powdered whipping cream, you are going to use 1.5 cup of cold water. So you just have to divide the quantity of powdered whipping cream to get your water, and to just come out perfect. So I'm mixing it now with my hand mixer. You can use a stand mixer if you have one, and I think you can use a hand whisk if you have the strength for it, but preferably hand mixer gives you the perfect texture that you want. And you mix until it becomes thick, and then you proceed from there. This whole process takes just about 5 minutes or thereabout, but not up to 10 minutes to prepare. So it's so simple and easy to make. Enjoy with your family and friends, with your kids, once in a while. So you can see how thick it is. Then I'm going in with condensed milk I made earlier on, like the previous day. I have the video in my channel. I posted it as a short, so you can go there and watch. So you just mix it in, and at this stage you can mix in any flavor of your choice, which is optional. So I decided not to use any flavor. I didn't want it to be overpowering, so I just decided to leave it. So now I'm going to pour in the white part into my plate. Any freezer safe dish is okay to store. To the other half, I'm adding like 1/8 cup of cocoa powder. This will not even be bitter at all. The taste is just perfect. The blend of cocoa powder with the sweetness of the ice cream, just perfect. So you mix it in very well, and then you pour into the bowl and ready to go into the freezer. You can store it in the freezer from 8 hours upward. Ready to go into the freezer. So it's out of the freezer now, and I'll just let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll wet my scoop and then gradually scoop it out into my plate. After the second scoop, I had to go and wash the scoop again, and then come back and scoop the last one, just to have that perfect round ice cream shape. So this is it. And for the topping, you can use any topping of your choice. Here I use the delicious chocolate biscuit as my topping. Yes, the blend of the crunch from the biscuit, then the creaminess of the ice cream. Perfect. Just perfect. Try it out and let me know what you think. If you're serving it to kids, you can serve it in the cone wafers and let them enjoy. Even adults too can enjoy this actually, so just a matter of choice. Top it with some sprinkles and enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.